Over a period of time, I've realised that my current boiler was not very efficient, very crude controls, and also I was paying a lot for maintenance from British Gas. Very positive. They kept me informed of everything and all the attributes, benefits of going with Premier Solution, and they seemed like the right company for me. I think it was the support and promise of always having some support available when you wanted it, rather than having to wait a number of days or possibly longer with a boiler that wasn't working. It's been very good, very positive. The delivery came just after 9 o'clock and the engineer arrived almost immediately after that and started on removing my old boiler immediately. And although there were problems, they were all solved. I'm very satisfied. So far, there have been problems. With any old house, there are always problems. And they've been resolved quickly and easily and satisfactorily as well. I would have no doubt at all about recommending Premier Solutions to anyone who's looking for any help with a boiler or any heating solutions that they need themselves. Because everything's gone very smoothly. The communications have been excellent, and so far what I've seen, everything is working fine. Yeah, I'm very confident that everything is going to be up and running in no time at all, and I look forward to many years of trouble-free heating.